Hey everyone, this is PhD Natural Me and welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a little bit, just kind of doing things in the RV. Had a little mishap with our step. It stopped functioning, so we had to get a new one. When things are not under warranty, it can be a stinger to the wallet. Anyway, I just wanted to come and say hi. I am, let me see, I'm not really sure what I'm doing right now. I've been trying out different foundations and makeup, which I'm enjoying. I have been watching a lot of the different channels that focus on beauty. It's really interesting. I thought one time, how can someone just do a video on lipstick? Now I know. You can do videos on lipsticks, eyeshadows, blush, bronzer, all these different things that people are interested in, and I definitely was very interested in it. But anyway, just wanted to say hi. I hope you're doing well. My ketogenic RV life is continuing on, and I'm very excited about it. So stay healthy, keep eating keto, and enjoy your day. Bye.